It may be baseball's off-season, but the Nashville Sounds have something in the works. 2019 marks a change for the team. A change in identity and a change in experience. All starting with the marks, remixed and reworked to bring forth a look that expands from the honky tonks of Broadway to better showcase Nashville's version of the American pastime. We come together as one, a team, letting the community define us, the workers, the families, and the generations to come. Logos, jerseys, and colors, all reimagined for a modern era of Nashville Sounds baseball, finely tuned to unite Nashville's rich baseball history with its current landscape and growing communities. We start with a brand new beginning. We start November 15th. Nashville Sounds Remastered.